Hey, what's up, everybody? Hey, this is Funky Dave again. Hey, this is a video response, to all the guys that's talking about Chris Brown, and he kind of went off on the show the other morning, broke a little glass, and all that stuff, Well, I can kind of understand where he's coming from, man, because I don't like people asking me a bunch of questions either, especially if it was early in the morning. These guys, these singers, they probably been to a party or something. He wasn't feeling good. So they kind of brought it on themselves, with that. And people that try to say he's bipolar, who knows? Charlie Sheen maybe too. I may be. But anyway, give the guy a break, man. Come on, he makes good music. I kind of like him, so he'll grow up, man. He'll grow out of it one day. This is Funky Dave, man, and just live and let live. Let's do that.